How do we describe exactly where something is on a flat surface, like a football on a pitch? Let's use vectors to locate any point precisely. A position vector is an arrow from the origin to a point. It tells us exactly where that point is. We write it as OA or vector A. Every position vector has two parts, horizontal movement and vertical movement. We write OA as 3/4 in a column. The top number is X, bottom is Y. Each point becomes a vector. B is 2/5. C is -3/1. D is 4/2. Negative means left or down. Example 1. Point P is at coordinates 5,7. The position vector OP is simply 5/7. We move 5 units right and 7 units up. If asked for the magnitude, we use Pythagoras. Magnitude equals square root of 25 plus 49, which equals square root of 74 units. This is the arrow's length. Example 2. Q is at -6,8. Position vector OQ is -6/8. Negative x means we move left from the origin. Magnitude equals square root of 36 plus 64. That's square root of 100, which equals 10 units. Notice we square the negative, so it becomes positive. Common mistake. Students write vectors as brackets like coordinates. Always use column notation for vectors. Brackets are for points only, not vectors. Memory aid. Top number is horizontal movement, bottom is vertical. Remember, read down the column, move across then up. Position vector equals x/y. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more Form 4 mathematics lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice more exam questions. Keep learning.